Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss two most important DAX function. You can say that it's fall under the category of text DAX function. The name I also hope that you already heard the DAX function here, but didn't know how to use that DAX function. So you are in a right place. We will discuss two DAX function, that is left and right. Basically, let's discuss left on starting. So left gives return the specified number of characters from the left side or starting of a text string. Okay, and what right function do? Right function returns the specified number of characters from the right side of a text string. In a simple way, if you have a text column like name of any person and you want to extract only some values like first letter of their name on left side, so you can use left text function. And if you want to extract only surname, you can use right function there. So let's see how we can implement this in our data view. I have a data set here. I have a PM1 name here. Okay, so let's play with this column. You just create a new column here. Okay, and firstly use left. So when you type left, the left function is shown below the list. Hit tab and it wants text. So what our text here, PM1 column. Okay, and then number of character. So we use left function here, so it will give the value from left side or starting side. Okay, so our PM is Ashish. Okay, so so firstly let me give the first letter of their name. I type 1 here. Let's see. You can see that it gives the first letter from the left side of PM1. Okay, so it gives the first letter from left side. You can see that we have a multiple values here. And if you want two character from left side, you can type 2. Let's see. Yeah, it gives the two values here. You can take as per your requirement like 5. You can see that we have a 5 character here. Okay, so this is the use of left function here. Let's see how right is work. Type right and it the function is same, but the difference is right and left. So let's give PM1 and number of character, how much number of character we want. Okay, so we want only 2 character from right side. So you can see that AJ is our 2 character from our right side. If you want to see like 4 character, you can type here 4. Okay, so it will give all the text string from our right side. I hope you understand the functionality of both the DAX function here, left and right. If you have some queries, please comment on my video and please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.